guys, come back with me with Hari and Art Garden Flowers. Today we are in a very special nurseries. We are in the Hoya nurseries. I know there are a lot of people are asking more and more about Hoya, and here we are now in the sea of Hoya. My right and also on my left, all are Hoya. But you know, there are more than 100 of species of Hoya. I think for some of you it might be confusing, but some of you it might be a fun things to know and to explore. On these occasions, I'm going to show you the 5 best Hoya that we found in this nursery. Some of the Hoya, as you can see and you know, might be more into green leaves, red, or something like that. But most of the Hoya that are coming and asking about into our Instagram and our website are more into a splash types, splash characteristic. So that's why we are providing and recommending 5 Hoya splash that will be a good additional to your collections. Alright, on the very first thing, I'm going to show you this Hoya Gunung Gading ghost. See, this is one of the most rare and unique Hoya that we found here, and it is in a high demand internationally. You know, Hoya is a slow grower plant, so you can enjoy more growing these plants. And what I like about Hoya is they are growing like trailing up and not will become a very large leaves, and it might give you a flowers as a reward if you succeed growing those Hoya. This Gunung Gading ghost is one of my favorite. It has a good splash and really unique. It's truly one of a kind. Okay, after Gunung Gading ghost, I know it might be a little bit more expensive than other Hoya. Yeah, I know it can be 100 or more for that one Gunung Gading ghost. But besides that, we also have this Hoya Manokwari. Even though it's not has a really good splash, but these white flowers, white leaves, truly beautiful. It's mean green, a combination of green and white, and it also has a good characteristic of Hoya, and I believe the flower will be also beautiful. This is also one of a kind, very rare plants. Manokwari is deserve to be your next collections in your inventory. Okay guys, after this Manokwari, we also have this Carnosa Nova Ghost. Carnosa Nova Ghost. Look, it also has a white good splash, mint green on the leaves. This is a really good size of Hoya if you want to buy from overseas. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 10 leaves. If you have this size and it's right in your place, very healthy and good, you can chop it into 2 or 3 plants. So that's why I really also love Hoya. It is easy to propagate, and it's easy and fun to grow, and has a lot of variety. And splash is one of the most beautiful characteristic of the Hoya. And on the 4th, we also have this Coriaceae. The leaves are sparklingly white splash, but the character of these leaves is it's not wide, big like other Hoya that I mentioned before. And this Hoya has a, you know, a little like fur on its leaves if you touch it, and also in the stem. Yeah, I know some of you will think that those look similar, but trust me my friend, this is different. This splash is only on this species. It's worth to have, and it's big also, good size. And the last one, or the 5th one, we are offering you and the recommend you on this August 2025 is this Hoya Rangsan or Latifolia Rangsan. It's quite different than other four that we have been mentioned before. It has a good splash, and the leaves is also somehow is much thicker. And the leaf have a good, really good splash, really beautiful, really emerging mint, and I really love this Rangsan. So from the fifth, I think this is the most favorite Hoya that I may recommend to you. So guys, those are the 5 best Hoya splash characteristic that we recommend for you on this 2025. If you guys interested, don't forget to screenshot and send us a message. Drop your message on social media, email, or our website, and we will be back with a special quotation for you. Thank you guys, and see you again on the next video. Bye.